Welcome back to my channel, lovelies. I've had so many requests to share my quick and easy makeup routine, and today I'm excited to show you exactly how I do it. This is perfect for those busy mornings when you need to get out of the door fast but still want to look put together. Let's get started. I always start with a lightweight moisturizer to hydrate my face, followed by primer. Just a small amount of each will do. Next, I'm using a small amount of foundation to give a nice even coverage, and I'm applying that using a beauty sponge, blending it out smoothly. To brighten up the under eye area and cover blemishes, I use a bit of concealer. Just with a tip, dab it under your eyes and blend it out with a sponge. I'm not that extremely bright highlight kind of person. I want to see look like me. I'm going to go to the other side. Just go straight with your product and just blend instead of leaving it there for a while before coming to blend it out. Make sure to set the foundation with powder to avoid creasing. Now for some quick contouring to add dimension to the face, using a powder contour, I slightly dusted around my hairline, under the cheekbones and along the sides of the nose. This step is super quick but makes a big difference. I'm going into the eyes with the same powder contour. I used Morphe Glamour Bronze in Supreme. I basically use this all the time. I love to use brown shades. For brows, I like to keep it simple with gel or pencil. I'm using Dramatic by Damel gel. This is the tinted one. Just use it to brush the eyebrows in the upward direction, going slant towards the end. I like to gel my eyebrows first so that the gel can start to dry while I'm doing other things. The thing is, I really don't have a specific pattern when it comes to my quick, easy makeup. I can just do three things at the same time. I can do my brows while the gel is getting dry. I'm applying my lipstick, maybe moving on to something else. I'm using Davy's pencil in 03 to line my lips. I love using tinted lip balm or gloss for a natural finish. I'm using the same Davy's pencil to line my waterline. Brown is a great alternative to black as it gives more natural and subtle definition to your eyes. Make sure your pencil is sharp. A well-sharpened pencil gives you better control and more precise application. Back to the brows, like I said, I like to keep it simple with gel or brow pencil. Just a few strokes to fill in any sparse areas and shape them up a bit. I also use concealer to define my brows. Apply a small amount below your brows, then blend it out for a clean, sharp look. Almost done. A quick coat of mascara to open up the eyes. I'm using Wink mascara. This is my new fan favorite. I absolutely love this mascara. You know, when I love something, I use it. To see this mascara, I'm gonna be using it for a very long time, so you're gonna be seeing me using this mascara all the time because I love it. Yes, I love it. I like to add a bit of shimmer to the inner corners of my eyes to open up the eyes using a small brush. This little step makes a huge difference.
That's pretty much it for this video. Thank you so much for watching to the end. I hope this video was helpful. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and make sure you hit the notification bell so you never miss a tutorial like this. And don't forget to share with your makeup besties. Until next time, stay fabulous. I love you.